Morning for Grand Valley Farm. It's Friday, around 7:30, 71 degrees. Sure is nice out here right now. Hopefully we'll have a decent day, not too hot. Less than 100 would be good. Anyway, I'll milk Bella and top off the waters. Everybody's sitting right now. Come back later and check on the waters. They headed down to water the animals and to feed them. It's 92 degrees. It's a little after 2. Run me over a doodle. Nice to be able to just drive up and turn the thing on. Harold, why'd you knock your water dish over again? I'll get Odo get in here and fix it for me. I'll rinse it out. I can't reach it right now. These 3 pigs here still need a new home. I got only one guy that emailed me and asked if they're available, and I said yes, and he never got back to me, so I don't know. A happy little pig that's eating alfalfa. Well, the goats don't seem to mind the heat. They'd rather eat than anything else. And now we have happy chickens and ducks. Got some clean water, some more food. Sally, you stand there where the hose is, all the holes in it. Silly dog. She loves water. Well, set it back off. Dogs love this shade right here. Mountain Charlie's tire by hand. We don't have a machine, not yet at least. Head down to milk Bella. Goats are excited. They've already ate all their hay again. I tell you, they eat more than the pigs do. Come on, same dogs as before. What are you stopping for now? It's just a pig over there making noise. Come on. You'll have to make the dog move.
I'm gonna run around it, maybe it won't catch me.
Same dog, been living here before you. Silly goat. That sure is a lot of piglets. I make a lot of bacon. Bella's been milked. Everybody's water's been topped off. The goats got more alfalfa. Petunia found some grain over here. The boar keeps running them off. Oh, nope. Here's Penelope. Everybody picks on poor Petunia. Harold, you're a mess. I'll just pour his water out. Made more mud than I already had in there. Yeah, it's getting deep. It's been a nice hot Friday. I enjoyed it. A lot of stuff done in the shop. Came and visited the animals a few times. Come up in the water. And Labradoodle, she's been finding water everywhere I put a sprinkler or a hose. Anyway, it's been a great day. I want to thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.